let's go in.
Hi
Harshita.
Jinal, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to our house. So when we enter the house, we have our hall facing. Towards this, we have a washroom and a kitchen here. I'll show you how we decorated our entrance. For entrance, we have these two pieces. The first one is for key rings, which we usually only use for house keys. So it's mentioned there is no place like home. We got this from Dragon Mart. I like to select a few pieces from a lot of places. We don't spend a lot on house decoration. If we go somewhere and if we like something, okay, then if you're very sure about it, then we purchase it. So when you move to our house, it will mostly be empty because we have given a minimalistic look to our house and only bringing the things that we love a lot. This piece is very close to my heart. My sister gave me this piece for my anniversary. So this says Harshita and Jinal and 12th of July. This is hand customized. I have taken a lot of things from local vendors to support their initiative and to support small business activity. So now we'll move to this shoe rack. I always wanted a little big shoe rack because I and Jinal have a lot of shoes. I'll show you how I've organized a little. The top, we have Jinal's shoes which he wears normally. On second we have my heels. Third we have our slippers or flats. Then here we have again Jinal's shoes which he uses a little less. Here we have our sports shoes, and here we have our shoes which we hardly wear, like wedding shoes or boots, something like that. We have masks and sanitizers which we have to use regularly, so I've kept it here for ease. This I have DIY'd. This was actually a tray which I converted to a picture holder. So I just added our two pre-wedding shoot pictures and added some flowers to it to look a little beautiful. So we keep it here. Here we have a Buddha to give peaceful vibes. I have a few candles which I just decorated according to their heights. Let's move to the kitchen now. Okay, we have this day-wise planner which I thought I would write what vegetables or what to prepare day-wise, but it's okay, it's too hard to write and then remove it, so I'll use it for something else. I usually write in fridge like what is to be planned and how to use the grocery. These are the fridge magnets that we bought as souvenirs, which I think almost all people do, but I love these kind of fridge magnets where you can add your picture and that takes you directly to the moment. This is a normal kitchen. I think we have a lot of storage here, so at least for two I can store anything and I don't have stuff which are outside, or I think it's sufficient for two people. Let's move to the room now. So this is our room. This is quite spacious when we compare it with rooms. Usually rooms are a little smaller than halls, but our hall is almost the same size as of the hall. We get a bed done every day, so it gives you very good and clean vibes. That is my side and this is Gina's side. This is the most Pinteresty and my favorite corner of the house, where we sit to read books or to work after our office. And I've added a candle here. I'm very fond of candles. This is the perfect autumn candle. These two photo frames were bought by Jinal and I added a veil to this. We bought this from Amazon, and these veils also I ordered from Amazon. This piece he bought from Kenya as a pen stand. We have 4 coasters like this which I got handmade from a local vendor and a very good friend of mine. He usually has his tea here in morning, so I've kept it. This moon shaped mouse pad, I got it from Shein, Dubai. And now I love this very beautiful piece which says enjoy the little things. I'm usually fond of things which has something written to it. So yes, this I found in Dragon Mart. Then here this is our mirror and a dressing table. which is white, and I think everything in our room is color coordinated to white because that gives you peace. I'm gonna show you one incident where I burnt my pillow cover. I used to keep my candles just here beside me, and luckily Gina saw this, and and yeah, this only burnt till here. We have a weight machine here. This is the flower when Gina gifted me. I was not feeling well a few days back, so he gifted me, so I want to preserve this, so I've kept it here. And yes, that is a favorite piece which I have just printed and I've added, which says you don't have to be extreme, just consistent. This acts as a motivation. If you're sleeping, you can just look at it and you get a dose of motivation. These are our cupboards. This 1.5 cupboard is mine, and only this cupboard is Gina's cupboard, because usually men, I think, need lesser stuff as compared to women. And we also have 1.5 cupboards here. Here we store all our requirements like suitcase or whatever things you need regularly. We have a washroom here which has a bathtub. So yes. Now I'm going to show you a dining table which we took almost 6 months to buy. For this dining table we took literally a lot of time to buy because we were looking for white color and in glass. This is a 6-seater dining table. This is my favorite piece in the entire house. This is a tissue paper which looks like a sofa. We bought this. I've just DIYed this. This was the actual bottle in which we inserted this. You could actually turn on the lights. This bottle is just for 50 rupees, which I bought from Colaba. And this flowers also, I think I bought from Colaba itself. Some more candles here, and yes, I forgot to show one piece, which again, not Colaba, actually I bought it from Crawford Market. This again I customized from Crawford Market, which says both of our names and our anniversary date. Let's move to hall now. This is a sofa cum bed. This is almost a 3-seater sofa which you can open this part and it will turn into a bed. We got from IKEA. When we saw the color of sofa, we were so happy. We just saw it online. We were like, yes, we want to buy this. So this was the easiest purchase. We just saw it and we booked it. This is again one of my favorite corners of the house. Here we have an artificial plant. Actually, it's very difficult to take care of the real plants, especially in weather like Dubai. I tried to keep some plants, but I failed because it's so hot and you have to water them regularly. So I thought, okay, I'll add one artificial plant, an artificial wheel. This is a macrame theme that I again purchased from Shein. I wanted a white and a blue because this is our theme of our house. So yes, I found this. And then we have mandir here. And then actually I missed to show you one thing. This is a piece of tassel that I have DIYed. I chose some pastel shades, made this tassels and stuck it to this string. I wanted to add this to any corner of my house, so I thought this would be the most suitable to add this particular thing. And then we have a balcony. By the way, these curtains are exact matching to these sofas. It was just a coincidence and we ordered this from Amazon, but I want to also add the white artificial curtains and we are yet to buy the center table. Now we'll see balcony. I have not decorated the balcony much. We just have this chair, table and a plant. I'm yet to decorate. I want to add some lights and I want to add a lot of things to balcony, so I'm yet to do this. Yes, that's all for a house. We have kept a very minimalistic look to our house. I'm also yet to add something here, but I'm not sure what to add. So I'm just giving a time till I'm very sure what to put that relates to us. Yes, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked our house. Give it a thumbs up if you like the house and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.